talking about my experience getting coronavirus, COVID-19 in the Bahamas. This is the first day of my quarantine. So a little bit of a background. I went to Rolling Loud with my friends in Miami a couple of days ago, and I believe that is where I got COVID. I went with two of my friends. They actually didn't get COVID at all. When we came to the Bahamas, we got our test done on the third day, the day before we were meant to be flying out, which is meant to be today, this morning. My friends have now flown out. I tested positive for coronavirus at about 12:40 p.m. yesterday, which is the 28th of July. I came back into the clinic and I tested again. I did a rapid test and I came back positive again. At this point, I have been sent up to my room, which is the room my friends and I have booked for the 3 days. They were immediately sent to another room. So then I got a call and they told me that you need to get basically a PCR test, which is like the gold standard test for COVID. I'm not allowed to leave at all. I have room service that will be provided for. Everything is coming out of pocket right now. But once I get sorted with the health insurance, they will reimburse me for absolutely everything. My symptoms were a scratchy throat, I had a dry cough, and I started getting a fever yesterday.
1 hour later.
At the moment, I'm waiting to get my PCR test. So the way that this goes is that I am going to get a PCR test and then they will tell me if I am truly COVID positive or negative. If I am positive, then I have to stay here until the 3rd of August, which is couple of days, and then I can get another rapid test. If that's positive, then I have to keep on staying until I get a rapid test that is negative, and then I can fly out. My mindset right now, if I was to get stuck getting COVID anywhere, it would be in the Bahamas with this view. Like, I have been trying to get this PCR test done for hours now. It's 5 p.m. and I got it done. It's been nice to just chill. After I come back, it's going to be like 2 months that I kind of haven't really been on YouTube, so I'm definitely really keen to do that. It's kind of this new chapter of my life. I feel like this first 5 months, going on to 6 almost, of New York was just kind of like a trial run of like figuring it all out. Right now, I'm just waiting for the vitamin C and vitamin D to come in, drinking lots of water. I had a salad for lunch. So, what are the updates? It's now 6 p.m, still the same day. I am making myself some coffee. I'm on Tylenol, but I still have a fever, but it's like not an annoying fever, it's just like it's there. I don't want to get into antibiotics when I don't feel that bad. Like I don't feel horrible. Like I'm walking around, I'm like cleaning. The current vaccine that we're all taking, especially Moderna, it's like only 34% is effective. But if you do get Delta, like the symptoms aren't going to be as bad as if you're someone that hasn't got a vaccine at all. So it's like, yes, I do have COVID. Yes, I'm going to transmit it normally, like I would if I didn't get vaccinated, and if someone isn't vaccinated and catches the same thing from me, they might, you know, get the full effects of COVID symptoms. But because I have been fully vaccinated, Moderna gang, it's not as bad for me, knock on wood. And the big mystery that I'm still trying to solve is how have I been sleeping in the same bed as my friends, sharing food, holding hands, and they're completely COVID negative. So it is now 7 p.m. I just talked with my friend Gigi for an hour and that was really awesome. We've just scheduled an hour talk every single day. I just ordered pizza, room service, and I'm about to eat it and I'm just so excited. I'm watching the sunset right over my window. I can see the Atlantic Ocean and just this view is absolutely incredible. I'm so grateful. Like, even with COVID, even with everything that's happened, like genuinely yesterday was a very stressful day. I got the news in the Bahamas at the beach and I started crying. Like, it was very overwhelming, but I think most things I got sorted out today and I'm just so excited for this pizza, with this view. Everything is gonna sort itself out and I'm just very happy and excited and thankful. This is what you see as soon as you come into the room. Then this is the bathroom. This is the shower. It's very spacious. You come in here and there is a closet. And I have 2 beds. This artwork all of my stuff here, bedside table, my pizza, and then I sit here and I look at the view. Another chair where I sit and look at the view. This is the balcony and I literally just lay here for sun. Okay, so it is 9:53 and deadass, it feels like it's midnight. I'm so tired. Who knows what's gonna happen going forward, but I'll keep you updated. Good night. I can explain. So I woke up today at 12:30 because I'm like, I have COVID. I should probably sleep for as long as possible. I don't have COVID, by the way, guys. Spoiler alert. So first thing I do is check my emails at 12:40. My PCR test results came back negative. So I called the medics and nurse station straight away and they were like, you're free to go. And I'm like, you know what, I'm making an executive decision to stay one more night and just relax. So I walked over to the beach and meditated and journaled and swam and tanned and napped and enjoyed my last day in the Bahamas. That is the power of positive thinking. I'm just going to be enjoying the present moment in the Bahamas and enjoying my last day until I fly back to New York, back home. So I will see you guys back in New York. Bye!